Hi, I'm Susan Moriarty with Mahindra, and I'm here with Farms.com today to talk to you about our 1100 series tractor. This is a great little tractor for close in and small areas to get into the barn, in and around the stables. It comes in 1100 in 20 horsepower, 23 horsepower, and 26 horsepower. One of the great features about this tractor is the M-Comfort seat. We've spent a lot of time designing this seat to make the operator very comfortable. It is also adjustable, so if you have multiple people in your family that use the tractor, you can adjust it for different size people. And the steering wheel is also movable, tilts and telescopes. Some of the things that are noteworthy about the tractor are the quick attach that we have for the loader so that you can change out your front end implements. And on the rear, we have telescoping hitch that lets you easily change out your implements on the rear. It comes with a belly mower, and it also has a cab version with heat, as well as the option to have a backhoe on the back as well. So a lot of different things that you can do with this tractor. Very multi-purpose, a great tool to have around your property.